My specific category now is seems powerful but is a nerd.
Seems powerful but is a nerd.
Like sleeper build vibe.
basically chashma or gym.
Chashma or gym, but also has a knee issue. See this one, so that he's humbled in the gym.
Hi guys, welcome back to Moment of Silence Pod. I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
I'm Nana Bhan.
And I'm Sumukhi Suresh, and I'm back again by my own popular demand.
I'm so excited.
I demanded this.
I'm so excited.
And I must be taken for this.
Ooh.
I don't even
Everyone's
know where
happy.
to start. And because there's so much that we have to talk about.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like, yes, there's just, we don't know which box to open right now.
This
There's just
feels
so many
like a
gifts.
first date. Like when we've been talking for like 8 hours every day and then finally it's the weekend.
There's like a
and
little
we're
bit of
here.
tension.
Yeah.
There's like an eye contact.
I'm
You
feeling
feel it?
shy.
Yeah, suddenly like. But I would just like to say that after my podcast, or after I came on Moment of Silence, I was jealous of everyone who came after that. Like, especially the comedians. I was like, fuck you, I started this.
So why are
Yeah.
you jealous?
You're a path breaker.
Yeah, I'm like, I said, okay, this is your moment of silence, but it was not a moment of silence for me, bitches. Like, Kenny came to your podcast and then came to my show. And he's like, hey, da, I was on moment of silence. I'm like,
I've been there.
whatever. Okay, you saw me and when he's like, no, da, I didn't mean it. Then he's like, I spoke about you and Shrija, and I saw the whole episode. He didn't speak about me, dude. He didn't speak about me.
I think he spoke about
Shrija.
you offline.
Well,
Yeah, he did speak about you, but offline.
classic.
Speaking of offline, you had a story that you want to tell us. You want to tell us online?
Oh my god. Oh, about. There's so many. I don't know which one.
Stop.
You pick. It's like, which topic is it? It's like a
Do-
quiz contest.
I want dating related.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I would just like to give an announcement on Moment of Silence is that 2025, I know we're in August already.
Yeah.
So it's like 2026
Yeah,
in most
sure.
people's heads. Okay. But I have chosen 2025 to be my romance. Like,
Ooh.
yeah. Like I need slow burns. I need Jane Austen vibes.
Slow burn to फिर 2026 हो
Huh,
जाएगा.
exactly. So but I
Huh.
wanted to start now. Like
Okay.
2025 is no longer about like OTFs, which is like one-time fucks.
Wow.
So fair. We just call it one night stand.
No, it's called OTF now, guys. Things have changed.
Things have
In my head.
changed.
But this is a great way to like go into festive, go into winter.
Yes, I want to be prepped for the the hibernation season.
I'm taking a different approach. I'm straight meeting with a ring. I'm not interested. I'm
No
meeting
slow
on the
burns.
first thing. I'm like, what is our wedding hashtag gonna be? And that's fully
You're
fine.
meeting boys whose name makes sense as a hashtag.
Yes.
Yeah.
And why not, you know? Like, I want there to be some. And I don't even like hashtags, but I want him to think of wordplay.
Fair. Fair. I don't want to meet anyone with a Sue name because I don't want the hashtag Sue.
Sue.
I just can't. I just can't, you guys. And I feel like it's going to happen to me.
If you
Or
marry
like-
my dog, it'll be
Oh, no, it's
Sue
gonna be
Sue. And that is what he did on my bed this morning.
You know, and other hashtag Susu jokes are going to happen if some Sumukhi and I don't know,
Suresh.
Oh no,
That's
that's
a
her dad's name.
surname. Oh, that's your dad's name also. Oh my god. I love how I thought of this. Like, oh, what's another Sue name?
Welcome to Moment of Daddy Issues.
Suyash.
Oh God, no. That's why I would like it to be like a name starting with like an N or like a
Like, if there's a RMA, then it would be Surma. Like, you know,
I like it.
Kajal.
If it's like a Naresh, then it's like a Suna. Then you can dance with Jag Suna Suna.
Okay, Naresh is good. All
But it could
Nareshs
also
hit
be
me up.
Suresh again.
Guys, no Naresh cancelled. Don't hit me up. No Ashes ever. I would like.
If it's like a Qatar, yeah, it'll be Katsu.
his name's Katai.
Surname.
Oh.
Come on.
Yeah, but yeah, okay.
Come
cool.
on.
Sukat
Katsu.
Katsu. I like Katsu.
Sukat.
Sukat.
So what's the strategy?
You know, okay, this is what it is. Last year, 2024 ended very, right?
Yes.
2024 ended very badly because 2024 ended in a terrible
Ooh.
experience. Straight up, shout out.
Shout out.
2024. it ended like all the confidence and the arrogance that I was carrying around, saying that, you know, women should have, you know, explore their sexuality, blah, blah, blue, all of that, just like, just got into one small box and exploded with high intensity. Because it's a terrible experience, terrible boy, terrible everything, okay? And
Okay.
and I would like to say something which of course will get me some backlash.
And not in this room.
Okay, cool. I also believe that 30% of the problem was me, because
Hey.
I'll tell you. Let me spell it out and then you tell me. I think I saw it and I knew that this guy is a bad idea. I knew it. Okay, but the one voice in me was like, don't do it, Somkhi, this is terrible. The other one was like, oh, Somkhi, you think you're Madhubala? Huh? That you deserve the best. Just saying, Madhubala got the worst. So I don't know why I took, the poor woman died like young. So I don't know why I took her as an example.
So
in my
you're
head.
safe.
So I was like, it's okay, it's fine. And then there were so many constant red flags. Like, it's just he had like gaps in his teeth. And I'm like, so what, Sumukhi? You don't have gaps in your teeth? I don't. Actually, I have good teeth.
You
Okay?
do have good teeth.
Yeah, then I was like, oh, you're arrogant about your good teeth. Is that why you're not going to reject people? It was a full roller coaster in my head. And then I went ahead and turned out to be the worst idea ever. Where when this guy was at some point in a very erotic position. He was like, oh, this happens, you know. Girls between the age group of 38 to 40, they dry up soon.
Yeah?
And I laughed because I was like, what is this range 38 to 40? Also,
That's
I'm
so
not
specific.
38. So I'm like, are you saying this will happen to me? Why are you saying in the middle of
No.
everything? Also, there was no strength. Like, there was at a point where it was all very bad.
I'm so confused.
It was
Did
a very
he
bad
try to
experience.
neg you in bed? Like, is that what happened?
And the thing is, you know, there has to be a personality for someone to do that. It's not just with gaps you can't.
Some negging does not make you dry.
Exactly.
Some negging, especially about you being dry,
Woo! More
dry. That's
Full dry.
vacuuming
Yeah,
all
it's
the
like
moisture in the
They
room.
found the biggest dessert again. Me.
Yeah, me.
They found it.
So fair.
So after that, I was like, Samukhi, what the fuck? I went through this full spiral of what is this? What are your choices? Etc. I took 3 months of like, I don't want to do anything. Boys are making eye contact. I was leaving the city. Like, if boys are making intense eye contact with me, I'm like, make my trip using points. I've fucked off to places. And then suddenly last month or like 2 months back, I think I just, and this has been worked for me. Whenever I declare something, it happens, okay? I don't know how. 2022,
Manifestation.
maybe. I don't want to call it that.
Okay.
Okay, but 2022, I was like, oh, so okay, 2 years, you gotta make sure that you have your whole phase. Great. 2024, I told that 2024 it ends, and 2024 this dry up boy happened.
Wow.
Okay, and 2025, I randomly just announced saying that I think my romance era is starting,
Let's go.
and it's
Ooh.
gonna be like nice. It's gonna be slow, but it's gonna be moments. It's gonna be build-ups, and I want that. Otherwise, no boy make eye contact with me. I'll book flight.
Straight roka.
Straight. You know, it's not even straight roka. I just want them to like make some effort.
Yeah.
Yeah, like have some tension. Where is the tension? Like there's just.
But what
Yeah.
does effort look like? For me, I think effort is like, what do you mean मैं खुद सांस लूं? तो तू क्या कर रहा है? Like, you know, I'm like, I can't believe I'm with someone and I have to make the effort to breathe myself. It's quite gross.
I actually saw one of your videos where you said the 5, the cheating one.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
believe in all of it.
I also believe in all of it. I'll take one step further and be like, the only women you're allowed to talk to is your mother and me.
Yeah, and sometimes I might have a problem with that also.
Yeah, because what if the mother's saying that she's a bad person?
Yeah.
And what if I want alone time?
With his mother.
But yeah, what does effort look like actually?
You know, actually more than effort, because effort can be so confusing, right?
Yeah.
Now I'd like it to be more like you build, there has to be some tension, there has to be my wanting to text, or just like try and I think the build up and the whole butterflies in the stomach had just gone away. And I'm like, no, I want it back.
But butterflies are unsustainable.
I would see, at least I'd like to be there where I say butterflies are unsustainable. The last time I had butterflies was really long time back. So I want to get back to when girls are like, butterflies are unsustainable. I'm like, yeah, man, I see what you're saying.
You know, women in their 38 to 40 range.
Really, it's unsustainable to have butterflies because it's too dry.
ठीक है.
But are you looking for anything right now?
The moment I said this to the world, I found like 3 just hovering. You know, they were like, oh, where were you? They were like little
Little
deers,
moths.
like you were playing hopscotch around me, okay?
Little bees
Little
bumbling.
bees going boom, 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 boom. Very like, hey, you're looking so nice. And I'm like, what? And I walked over there, hey, you're not looking at me. I'm like, yeah. And then like there's a lot of confidence that I have seen in me because before on serious note, I think I was also not accepting slow burns and all of this. Is because in my head I was like, oh, I have to impress this person ASAP, otherwise he's not going to be into me. That anxiety is gone.
But to be fair, a whole phase, you know, call me fatherless, it's fine. But a whole phase does give you confidence.
Yeah.
Because then you're like, if I liked someone, I already at least had a slow burn with them.
Yeah.
Like, so it's like, okay. And if someone doesn't like me back, I'm just not their type. It's
Yes.
not that I'm unattractive. It's not that I should hate myself. And there is a type for everyone.
I want to just
Go for it. I'm
change
waiting.
the flow a little
I'm
bit.
excited.
Everyone on this couch is more excited to date themselves.
Hundo P.
All of us have actually really like high self-worth and value where we get so excited every time we throw like an amazing pickup line. Every time, you know, we send a sex that's so hot. Just like, wow.
Universe, did you check that out?
Yeah.
Is it making to the world's best list?
Yeah, I think all of us want to date ourselves.
Yes.
Yes.
But I will tell you what phase of life I am in. Every time one of my friends downloads Bumble and she swipes on a few guys and she matches with them, guess who is flirting till the date is set? Me. I am literally, because anything they'll be like, oh my god, how should I say this? And I'll be like, just say XYZ. And then they say it, and then I've just set them up on these dates, and then
How cool.
like it's just my favorite hobby is flirting with people where the stakes are low. Speaking of Bumble, guess who today's sponsor for the episode is?
What are you saying?
It's
Is it-
Bumble.
Is that why I'm wearing yellow?
Stop. We speak about boys so much that Bumble was like, yo.
I'm a big fan of Bumble.
Yeah.
It was the reason why I started dating. Like it was because I was on other apps. It's too confusing. But since I got the control of like making the first move, etc., it was just easier for my control issues.
Yeah.
So I really like Bumble for that. One. Also just internationally,
Yeah.
I didn't realize that Bumble was sizzling. But I never realized that it's one of those apps that can work well internationally as well. So whenever I toured, I had nice first dates.
Ooh.
Yeah, I had like one of those very cute dates in what's that place? That place with the sepia tone in real life.
Mexico.
No, the other one.
Spain.
In Italy. Fuck. Florence.
Florence.
Yes.
That was on.
I had a very sweet
Third
first
guess.
date. Although Florence is the Mexico of it. No. It's not. I had a very sweet first date in Florence, I remember.
Do
because
you
of
have
Bumble.
different approaches in different countries?
I am more cool abroad, I feel. I am very dumb here.
Same.
I'm very what my mother taught me in relationships in India. Suddenly go abroad, I was like, wow, blow dry, lipstick. I'm like, so do you want to catch up for coffee?
Amazing. Yeah.
So now I only make the first move where it's my specific category now is seems powerful but is a nerd.
Seems powerful but is a nerd.
Like sleeper build vibes.
basically chashma or gym.
Chashma or gym, but also has a knee issue. See, this one. So that he's humbled in the gym.
Stop
Yeah.
flirting with me.
He's not like, "Ugh." He's like, oh, my knee issue actually. I can't do this movement.
My biggest ache in life is people that do in the gym. I'm like, stop. You know what it was? It was never that serious. Like, if you तेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, तो तुम मत कर.
Pilates.
Pilates.
You can do Pilates, king. Just
Oh,
why not?
yeah. You know, also boys, nerd boys who will eventually reach Pilates for
Knee issues.
yeah, for the knee issues, and then be like, Pilates is so good. I don't
Next.
know why nobody's considering it with their, you know, this eyebrow expression at like a fucking while having beer, so that I'm masculine, but I can do this.
Bro, I really want to see a group of fit boys come for Pilates and crumble.
That'll be. You know what? I want to come. I'm gonna come for that. But can they all?
You're gonna come for
I'm gonna come. But since I'm in the 38 to 40,
We won't be able to tell.
but I think the one thing I would like to look forward to is on Bumble, like if I match with someone, there was this hurry of like, oh, this is a date and this is how it's supposed to be, etc., etc. With my new revamped perspective, I'm wondering if I can do like first dates or multiple dates, the Bumble dates where there's build up. Like I don't know if that's possible with, yeah.
Yeah, I think Bumble also is like, firstly, you can meet so many people that kind of fit your type, right? So then why not go on a date with all of them and just figure out who you wanna, like, what
Yeah.
you actually want, and then like eventually you'll find the love of your life, or you won't. But it's important to go on fun dates, and for me personally, it's important that I have a date for wedding season because I want to go for some weddings.
Dude, I've never had a wedding. Have you had a wedding?
I've had a wedding.
So she has had a date. Damn it. And it's a backup. Let's go. Have you, apart from that?
Yeah.
I know wedding.
Then Roka was the best. Yeah.
Because I don't think.
Someone has to hold my bag when I do.
Okay.
Okay.
Because in my head, when the moment you say a wedding date, I'm thinking weddings that my family or cousins, all of that, and that's the worst.
No, I'm thinking none of my friends are getting married this year. But I have so many nice wedding guest
Invitation.
clothes.
Yeah.
So I want to go, like someone whose friends are all getting married. I just want to be a plus one.
Oh my god.
Because I know no one at this wedding. All I have to do is look hot. And there is something about when you start dating a guy and the first time he sees you in an Indian outfit, that plays in his head. And then he thinks of you as an Apsara, Husna Pari, and I just want some guy to think of me like that.
Oh my god.
So then don't go to weddings, go for like a festive party.
Like a Navratri.
Yeah. Oh.
A Garba.
But
Have you okay. New box, so I'll wait.
no, go for it.
No, that's what I've never attended Garba / Dandiya night / any of it.
I have.
And
And so in Mumbai, Garba is a very big thing, especially my college was Gujarati Kota. So I went for Garba, and the guy I was seeing at the time was also a Garba enthusiast. And all of them know the steps of all the songs. Even if it's a new song, they suddenly 2 seconds they'll do the choreography,
Yeah.
and then 20 people will move in
Go
a
like, khatak,
circle.
khatak.
And then eventually he got sick of me. He was like, "You're not able to keep up. Just go sit in the corner." And I was like, "I'm downloading Bumble right now and swiping."
oh my god. And you could, because you're in a Navratri Dandiya night anyway.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All my prompts are Garba related.
You know what I want to do? I want to take like my date to a cards party and then tell him to sit next to me because he's my good luck.
You rub his head and all. His ball spot.
I've heard of this story where since Bombay the Mandli culture is also so much, right? The Ganesh,
Yeah.
you know,
Mandap.
mandap and pandal and everything. A friend of mine has gone pandal hopping and with a boy. She was like, it's just easier to go with a boy because, you know, they just figure things out and you can
Yes.
just reach the pandal and be like, ye ya karna, wah karna. I was like, huh. And I'm a big Ganpati girl. I love him, big fan. Okay, shout out.
Shout out.
So,
Yeah, we all love him.
yeah, and it's coming up. And now with my slow burn philosophy, I may not maybe be able to make the
But the good thing about
Connection.
Ganpati is he comes every year.
yes.
So you can do that.
Purshavarshi Lavkar, yeah.
Yeah.
That, you know what? Oh my god.
But you can do Navratri. I feel like if you download Bumble today, you can do Navratri.
Yeah, I want to do the whole Ghagra scene and the whole...
The
and
colours.
The colors. I am a decent dancer, so I can be like, oh, I don't know how to dance. And bam! I'm part of choreography.
You can keep up to the Falguni
She's the
Pathak.
best dancer.
love
Really?
She's an amazing
would
dancer,
love it.
dude.
Like, I would be that girl who learned the whole thing and be like, do you want me to... Oh my god, your friends are here. Oh, in my head, that fantasy plays where I'm going with a guy and then he's like, oh no, this is a dance competition. Who's going to represent me? And I'm like, I guess it has to be me, right? Because I know all the steps. And suddenly I'm doing it and he's like, whoa, does she know all the steps? I need to marry this bitch.
I love that.
That's how I feel about pickle.
So
I
I
love
try to
that.
find the Bumble Navratri hunt.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking for boys with forearms. So that they can do Dandiya from
Like forearm. Or dandiya.
tag, 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 tag.
2 hands to hold me. 2 hands for Danya.
Do you guys have first date cues that you're like, oh, if this boy has done this, it's gonna move forward?
You know, yes, but I also realize they're not my cues. I don't care, but it's just like I've seen it on TikTok in which I'm trying to be like, no. Why do I say TikTok? Reels.
No, but
Seen it on Reels.
Huh.
And it's like, oh, does he walk? What side of the road does he walk on?
Oh,
I don't give a fuck. Like, you know, does he walk me home? Who cares? Why are we walking?
Yeah, we
It's
can't walk
Bombay.
anyway. We're in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Someone who pushes for walking, and I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
care.
but like, you know, the man I'm with shouldn't know that I do my 10,000 steps.
That you're just naturally a 10,000
Athletic,
step
yeah.
girl. Oh, is your 10,000 step my dance fantasy? Is that what it is?
Yeah, it just happened.
Who's going to do this triathlon?
I guess it has to be me.
Oh, wait, you forgot something 13 kilometers away and Uber's on strike. Who's gonna walk?
me, baby, me.
Without breaking a sweat, as long as it's not uphill.
I have this first date observation, or at least general observation on dates, is that if you know they're the waist boys, not WASTE, they're WAIST. The boys who know how to hold waist properly. There are very few boys who can manage waist. Otherwise, it's very like, you know, if this is the waist, they're very like, like what? You know, or they're very like they like shit, wet. Oh shit. Like they're like fuck flesh. Oh shit.
Like you're a bomb. Yeah.
How to touch it? Shit.
Cut
Yo.
the blue wire or the red wire.
They want to do it, okay?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
most of them don't have the gumption to. So then they hold you like here.
Bro.
Looks like you're a mannequin. They want to fix from here to here. Well, there are very few boys who are like, hey, come on, I'm pakadunga. Not in a creepy way. When post consent, they were like, oh, come on allowed, boom, boom. Okay, it's very that.
Ooh.
Also, like, they know how to navigate. Like, the hand will go, it'll be correctly placed, because and the C, it'll be like here. It won't go like full, like, oh, I grab the ass. They keep it here for some time. They're like, I might, huh? Next time, send me an email confirming this. And then I'll do this. If it's a good waist holder, I was like, okay.
Have you had a good neck holder?
What? There is a... Open the box right now.
I think the only thing sexier than being held on the waist is being held on the neck.
I am not that vulnerable. As soon as a hand comes next to my neck, I'm like,
Sakshi a cat.
yeah. Like I can't do neck.
I think this
Ass
is
is all
interesting.
up.
So it's like... Is it like, if this is the neck like this holding?
Yeah, from the back.
Like the...
Not from the front.
Dude, neck is very interesting. I'm going to now...
Look for someone.
Yes, for some neck work. I was like, oh, my chokers, you know, like, can you remove
Yeah.
it? What if he's like,
What if he's like,
red wire, blue wire? Or what if he's... You never know. Okay, cool. Oh, neck. Thank you. Nana, this is new deposit in...
Okay, next place we want men to hold us.
Okay, holding hands, guys. Is it overrated?
It's really intimate, but I want. You know,
This actually starts with this is she's
it's
gonna say no.
disgusting, but yes.
But yes,
I
I
like
want.
one finger.
Interlock, no.
I wait for Independence Day celebration.
I think I have a magnetic pull my finger does to a one finger. Like I just go and attach.
E.T. but with boys. Holding hands, I don't know. I get very I don't
Sweaty,
Yes,
clammy.
yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Also, I'm very insanely conscious about the fact that I have small, pudgy hands, right?
Shut
so
the
my
fuck
fear
up.
is he'll hold it and then he'll be like, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. I'll punch him in the fucking neck.
That's how I want to be spoken to, though. Like secretly.
Yeah, because my hands can be very cute. So then, I said, fucking slap you, don't fucking slap, don't baby talk my hand. So my fear is I will react violently to holding hands.
What is your take on PDA, but?
Thank God she said PDA. What is my take on PDA?
Like, Naina is very for PDA. I'm like, I don't want PDA, but if the guy doesn't want PDA, I want PDA. But you? Enough about me.
What? Okay, can you please tell me a list of like 3 things that
Okay,
that become
holding
PDA?
hands in public with
Okay.
a situationship. Yay or nay?
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
Nay.
Same.
I love
But-
holding hands, but a situationship?
Forehead kissy.
Why situationship?
Anyone.
Tauba, tauba.
Woo! Wow,
I don't
boys
think
being bold.
situationships are allowed to give you forehead kisses.
I'm okay. Then sorry. Then I'll take the hand. No, I'll take the forehead.
What
kiss.
about like a thigh hand?
Oh fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, because I
Thigh
too
hand
aggressive.
तो कोई भी कर ले.
नहीं ये वहाँ पे भी वही करते हैं. They're like, where is the knee? Where is the thigh? I'm like, it's bending here, no? It's bending here. What is this? It's the knee. Go up, it's thigh. Go down, it's calf. Go
Good
further down, it's floor.
job.
Don't do it. No,
What is that dance?
These are my private parts, private parts, private parts. These are.
Bumble should send this tutorial.
But you
thigh
can't.
holding, I don't mind. I'm in. I'm in.
it's
Okay,
odd.
I think I'm into. I'm on Naina's side. I don't mind.
Naina
PDA.
Suddenly
thinking
there's a
of
sign.
someone she's had like a
Yeah.
she's like in a relationship with you and me, babe.
Oh,
where
yeah.
the person is faceless right now. You know, or there's like
This
8
faceless
contenders.
waist holding guy. Dude, I don't mind. See, if it's faceless waist holding guy, I'm into PDA. But if it's one faceless, like, don't know how to grab waist, like, he'll get
Grip
scared.
strength is important.
Yeah, it's, you know, it's also, I think with my waist, since there is flesh there, I can easily go awkward, right? I was like, oh fuck, are you making me feel like this is a lot? Like, I know it's a lot of it in my head,
Yeah.
but if there's no confidence, then suddenly it seems very like, okay, I guess we should shake hands and move. on.
What about a guy in a band gala? I think that changes everything.
Means if he doesn't know how to hold my waist if he's in a bandgala, I'm in a sari.
Yeah.
Then
And
why
then-
doesn't he know how
But
to
he
hold
doesn't
my
know how to
waist?
hold my waist. No,
Oh, okay,
it's okay.
fine.
Fuck the bangala, dude.
Yeah.
Cut it first. I'll be like, you don't deserve this
Black
bangala.
kurta.
And then bad waist holder.
No, whatever. That doesn't matter.
Yeah, black kurta 100%. Especially those collars which button here.
No.
Not the other.
Chicken curry kurta?
No, it's overdone now.
Boys are wearing chicken curry. I don't know.
Yeah. Last
Excuse
year,
me.
every boy was wearing a chicken curry black
With the mirror
kurta.
work?
Oh, okay. The Banno ki Saheli look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan and
Yes.
KCG.
Yeah.
Okay, hot.
Last year, every guy was wearing it.
Oh my.
And the red kurta also.
Where was
Good
I?
dancer.
Yes. Sorry. Was I too loud?
I can't do good dance. So. You know, I'm the kind of person that if it's karaoke night and I'm singing karaoke, someone will be like, hey, you're done. Like, go home. This is not for you.
I love the dancing. So then suddenly if I'm dancing and someone's joining with my energy, I'll be like, oh my god, what
Yeah.
is this on slow motion right now? Because I did this for me. So I think I'll take it. First date, okay, first Bumble date is a dance night. Would you? Wait, I'll rephrase the question. A dangerous first Bumble date. What would it be?
A risky one.
A risky
time.
one. Sorry, not dangerous. Risky.
A risky first Bumble date.
Like for example, salsa. Like some boy takes you out for salsa for the first date. Will that be too much?
But I'm very awkward on first dates, so I don't need him to see me move my body like that.
Okay. What if they take you for paintball?
Oh, they'll hurt me.
Paintball,
Paintball is
fine.
painful.
I
Yeah?
feel like go-karting, arcades,
I can imagine
paintball.
you in paintball. Fuck you up, you jokey boy.
You think that's so funny?
Yeah, fuck that shit. Okay.
Salsa night for you is
Salsa
a
night
yay.
for me is okay.
For me also.
I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't want arts-based first date.
Not like a pottery date.
Fuck
No.
I
Oh,
would
God.
love a pottery
In
date.
theory.
No, I like in practice also. Like, what do you mean?
Teach you. This is mud. Mud composition is this. Like cooking again. Cooking. If I have to go for like a cooking lesson thing, no, because I'm too good to cook. I get frustrated.
Oh, I'm like, if a guy says he'll cook for me and then he makes some like basic ass food, I will not be able to practice gratitude.
Like he makes dal chawal bhindi.
I'll be like, let's order. Good attempt.
See, this is the attitude that I don't want in my first date. If it's a cooking date,
But no one likes being in the kitchen together. Like, that's a thing. Like, no one wants to cook together. One person cooks, the other person does whatever. Not me, I don't cook.
I like it.
I like it.
Two people in that hot kitchen, you're
Yeah.
fucked. There's no
It's
way.
very like, passing. It's like, oh, I need to go that side and go this side. And
Yeah.
suddenly, boys are very like, oh, I don't have space to move. I'm like,
Yeah.
there's literally the whole house. But you
Yeah.
won't move back. But I need to go like this in front of you to go get a chai ka channi back to the
Sounds hot to me.
Sounds hot to me.
What are you making? What are you making? And then it's so time consuming.
It's just a hookah. There is one date, not one date. This is with my ex where he was really into like food. Okay,
Yeah.
so he used to really like my cooking, and we were trying I was trying to make a new pasta which is like a lemon zest and pea something. It was quite nice. It was quite coming together, and he was very like, we should add alcohol to it. Okay, and his whole thing was that we should add alcohol to things. And at that time I was too young. I was like, wow, he knows how to add alcohol to things. I was like, wow, he pours it.
Flambe.
Yeah. I'm like, he knows so much. I didn't realize that vodka was doing that, not him. Okay. So when I was cooking, I was smoking in my kitchen and putting vodka on. It's like, what do you think? I'm like, oh my God. This pasta is so hot. Oh.
This is why you need to have a whole face.
Hey guys, I have asked all our Moss people, our Mossies, if you will,
I love it.
thank you, to send their fun first date stories because ours are not necessarily fun. Some are concerning, some are just straight up issues that we don't need to talk about because dating can be actually fun if you have good taste. Matched with an insanely hot guy. Model level pics. We texted for weeks. Great banter. Felt like a movie. Met in person and it was literally his cousin using his photos. The real guy showed up with zero shame and said, "But you liked my personality, na?"
That's a movie, right?
That's the
Hrithik Roshan, Rani Mukherjee,
movie.
Preeti
Oh my God,
Zinta.
मुझसे दोस्ती
मुझसे
करोगे?
दोस्ती
Ka-
करोगे.
Kareena
Kareena
Kapoor.
Kapoor.
Yeah.
The OG catfish.
Oh. You know what? I mean, now that you put it like
Yeah.
that.
What about
you know,
it?
I,
Yeah.
I think it's a fair question that, but did you not like my personality?
But you can't
Such a
start on a
problematic-
lie.
But that's so fair because Kareena and Rani are hot. So that worked.
Correct, but in the movie, they had said Rani's not hot.
But you can say
Means we can
whatever.
see, na?
We
Yeah.
can see.
Yeah.
Yes.
But this would never have happened on Bumble because Bumble you have to verify your profile before. If you were just using Bumble,
How do you verify?
you like have to upload your face and you have to upload your like document. In the middle, I'll tell you how I
Oh, okay.
like. So basically, I had a Bumble account.
Okay.
And they blocked me. And I was like, "Excuse me, Mr. Bumble, how can you block my account? I am lonely. I'm looking for somebody to hold at night." And they were like, "You are impersonating a famous person." I'm like, which famous person am I impersonating? They were like, have you heard of Sakshi Shivdasani?
What?
Like, I mean, I'm paraphrasing.
I love it. I love this Bumble bot.
But then I have verified my profile. So now I have a verified profile, and now you can't actually make a profile on Bumble unless you're verified with your government ID.
Is this a new feature, Sakshi?
Yeah, it is, but it's such a helpful feature because I don't know if it's new. I don't remember, okay? Like, because I was on Bumble like before pandemic and all, and now I'm on Bumble again. And you know, everything is fleeting. Just Bumble is permanent.
The verification truly makes it easier. It makes it more safe.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
jokes apart, like it just otherwise the catfishing is too much sometimes.
Yeah.
Like, if the mujhse dosti karoge off Bumble will be too much where someone else is doing something, etc. etc. I see the advantage of for once of KYC. It's not
100%.
annoying.
Yeah.
Usually I'm very annoyed by KYC. Not anymore.
Not anymore.
I think full respect for this.
When love is in the air.
When love is in the air, you need KYC.
You need KYC. Can't accidentally fall for someone unaesthetic looking. I'll tell you that much. Okay. Matched with a super artsy looking guy. All black and white moody photos. Everyone has one guy in their head as you say this.
Yeah. Oh my god, yes.
Turned out he was using Pinterest model pics. He admitted it over coffee like it was no big deal. Why didn't you leave if he didn't match his photos?
Because she thought it's artsy that he turned up.
Color mein alag
She
dikhta.
thought, she's like, oh, maybe I'm part of some performance. You know, maybe I'm part of a social experiment. Like, why couldn't you KYC, babe? It would have been easier.
Nana will love this story.
Oh.
Thought I matched with a hot DJ. Turns out, you know Nana's type?
He's a hot DJ?
Sometimes.
Before KYC.
KYD, know your DJ. Send me tunes. No nudes, send tunes.
Turns out it was his best friend using his account to get girls for their house parties. I basically RSVP'd to a rave instead of a date.
Whatever
Win,
you're
win,
doing,
win.
whatever you're doing for the DJ community, I support.
This thing I have gone through the using it for work. Because
Yeah.
a lot of boys just I think in their head are so hustle culture. Like they feel like they're part of the first half of a movie where the hero's trying to make it big.
If you were swiping and you matched with somebody who maybe you had been very inspired by and you liked their work, would you not shoot your shot? I don't think it's wrong. I would shoot my shot.
If to be fair, when I was asked, when I went on a lunch date at Perch or some date, and I remember that boy was very like, I have been in Bombay for like almost a year and a half. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to direct, etc., etc. And I know I was angry for like 30 seconds, but then I was like, dude, this guy, I understand. I've gone through the same thing. After that, where he's like, thank you so much for the advice. Should we meet for another coffee date? I'm like, no. Now that I've done career counseling,
Yeah.
now you can't.
I would feel tricked.
Yeah.
Like I would feel like, this guy just wanted a meeting. You know?
Yeah.
And I was looking for a roka. So clearly our goals are not aligned. Unless he has a lot of friends getting married.
But would you help him? You would help him.
You would
right?
help.
You'd be disappointed romantically. but-
Means depends. If I can help him, sure, but I'm not gonna go like a club promoter messaging on my friends, hey, isko kaam chahiye, isko kaam chahiye. No, I'm not interested.
Okay, fair. Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah. But sure, if there was a house party and he was like, oh my god, this really cool DJ is performing, I would be like, okay, are there drinks? And then he would say, yeah. And then I would be like, okay.
Okay, cool. This is a good DJ.
But if he said BYOB, I would be like, ew.
I can feel the tension in this conversation. It's so hot.
it's a slow burn.
It's slow, I'll tell you that. Okay, this is from a guy's POV. We usually don't believe in giving guys a platform.
I'm with you, dude.
But
Why should we
today,
give them a platform?
yeah,
That's not true. Bumble is a good platform for boys also.
Yeah.
You should download Bumble.
everyone should download Bumble.
Otherwise, we can't match each other.
You know,
I wish we could.
I wish we could, but we can't. So
Yeah.
please download
I'd be
Bumble.
hitting on Naina so hard.
Not stopped her yet.
I KYC'd myself and sent her my passport. So why did you send me your passport? Just
Just,
to let you know I'm an Indian citizen.
you know what I say? Sari jahan se acha. Went on a date from Bumble. She showed up with 3 of her friends just to check me out. They sat at the next table, whispering and giggling while she interrogated me like a job interview. Ended up bonding more with the waiter than her. ये गलत है. जो भी ये बुरा हुआ.
This seems like a very bad deodorant ad, you know. Like
Yeah.
In the first half, this is what happened to him. Then he bought a new deodorant,
And then
and then the
They
same
were
girls are like, "Wow, it's very bad." You know, he should have KYC'd this girl
Yeah.
before. going
Yeah,
with her.
I also feel like it's okay if like your friends help you flirt on Bumble, but date तुम खुद संभालो. I feel.
Yeah. Also, this giggling it seems very bully. That's not
Yeah.
fair.
Poor guy.
Fine, we
And-
gave you a platform, but don't get it on your
I
head.
hate feeling bad for men.
Don't get to your head, okay?
But you know, I feel like if he, but she interrogated him also. The girls were giggling and she was interrogating him. Maybe if there were some bands.
Fair.
We had to take a little bit of a break because the camera battery needed to be changed, and you know, such is life. But okay, someone is editing the document as we go. Why? Okay. Went on my first dating app date, and he was wearing formals with a tennis headband.
Hey.
I feel like that's one of those like high risk moves that you make to be memorable, and it can go either way.
Either way. The formals is such a good idea.
Yeah.
Shirt pant on a first date.
Oh, hot. Come
Hot.
on, no?
I'll be like, office से आया है क्या?
Yeah. I'm like, oh, thank God.
काम तो करता
At least
है.
काम तो करता है.
I swear.
बेरोजगार तो नहीं है.
Bro, you're so right.
At least it doesn't matter the money. The matter is you are somewhere. You had
Employed.
some,
Yeah.
spending energy somewhere.
Yeah, you go volunteer at some place for
Perfect.
24 hours.
Oh.
But go.
If it's one of those NGO boys, cute max.
Very.
I was like, oh, you're selfless. You've been taught to be that. Well done.
But then
I learned,
imagine
don't
if
worry.
they're selfless in the streets and selfish in the sheets.
Sheets.
ठीक है.
That's gonna be a
I'll take it.
much, and that's gonna be a T-shirt. Because that really hit hard.
The color drained from your face.
I was like, wait, am I not good enough like your NGO? Am I not a good
Am
cause?
I not needy enough?
Am I not a project that you want funding for? I think the formals is great. The tennis band is the like. Did he forget? Was he playing pickleball?
I mean,
paddle,
imagine
whatever
if he was impeccably funny and just had presence and he could turn it into a bit. I would be really
I'm cool with
into
it.
He can
Yeah.
also just take it off.
Yeah.
I would start suggesting strip poker. And as soon as that comes off, I'm like, we're done. Let's move on. I win if he takes it off.
Like, you know, it's one of those things. If a girl wears a tiara to her first date,
Over.
okay, it's over. Got it.
It's over.
Got it. Just gotta make
You're
sure.
the girl in this situation.
Yeah, I'll leave.
So I think it's the equivalent where you've taken a risky fashion choice
Yeah.
for your first date and then it's just backfired.
What is your ideal first date outfit for yourself?
Formals. Oh, for myself?
Formals.
Shirt pant. I look employed. No. What is my I used to dress up a lot, but then I was advised to just be more chill. So I didn't take the advice. Don't worry, because I was because I was like no this I want to dress up now. That's
Yeah.
why. So I like to dress up. I would like a dress and earrings and blow dry and ooh.
Ooh.
I was like, oh, if this date is bad, at least I looked amazing. And if someone's watching us, they'll be like, she's too good for him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, she's put so much effort. Okay.
And
like,
look at him.
And look at him. Like her photo from Bumble and her actual personal photo with eyes, there's so much difference. She's so much better looking. So of
I
course,
live for that.
And you know, I'm going to this restaurant. Everybody's watching us only
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
I'm a narcissist.
No, you're an Apsara. That's why.
Hoot Pari.
Husnapari.
Husnapari. So if I can, I don't want to go in jeans and t-shirt and like with backpack because I'm worried that.
Backpacks so should be banned.
Yaar, I have backpack, yeah.
No. Throw it.
But then where do I put my laptop?
Why do you need a laptop? You're reading the
You have
script.
like 8 people
giving
team.
script feedback.
Google Doc. I'm editing it. I'm adding points to it. But he's like, it looks so beautiful. Beautiful. Give me another synonym. Because I need to add it to the script.
I'm talking about backpack on a date. Backpack people don't come for me.
But, okay.
You can't bring your backpack on a date.
So then it's your job now to send me bag recommendations, which can carry laptops, okay?
I'll
For
send
a
you the
date?
bag, sweetie. But why do you need a laptop on a
your
date?
But what if I'm going from work? I leave my bag in the auto and let it stay there for a bit.
Meter, keep it running.
Meter का मेरा bag देख लेना हाँ भैया. Like, what, babe? What's the plan?
So मुद्दा क्या है dating stories का ये बताओ.
But like, sorry, the tennis headband and all you can't. This is just a personal quirk. Like, you can't predict this by looking at their
Yeah.
verified profile. I feel
Yeah.
this is a hit and miss.
So do you think they should have a separate KYC for fashion?
Know your fashion and put you be like your three things you can't live without. That should be the premise of Bumble should add. Then I'll put my backpack photo and Sakshi's like pass. No.
My Bumble prompt literally was like, you should not go out with me if you own a pair of jorts. I don't want to go out with someone that is okay with jorts.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah.
Okay, I see it. And now, okay, cool. Which is clear. Then that person will not wear jorts.
But all these duffer boys have messaged me saying, jorts kya hota hai? And I'm like, sweetie, okay, but don't go out with me if you have to ask me questions
Another
instead of
prompt.
Googling
Yeah,
it.
in this digital age, why you can't Google something is beyond.
Beyond.
But I think
me.
they also use it because I think boys go.
But wouldn't it be cool if you said something more interesting about jorts after Googling what
Like-
they are?
I feel like most boys see this and they're very like मैं इसको भी छेड़ूंगा थोड़ा सा मैं इसे tease करूंगा
हाँ.
कि
Yeah.
क्या होता है
What
George
is
and then
George?
she's like
Yeah.
तुझे George नहीं पता मुझे तू पता है fuck okay you know it's
Yeah.
they also their flirting is very which is why also I genuinely like the prompt the Bumble question prompt you know when you make the first one I'm like you send what you
Yeah.
want to say
Yeah.
I'll say something and then you use that they have given tools for dumb like you use it favorite quote you ask me and then I'll be like oh you know
What is your favorite
miles to
quote?
go before I sleep miles to go before I sleep people are oh, crazy she's English literature I'll also copy paste
Oh.
something you know? Oh it can't be ये बीड़ी चला ले जिगर में बढ़िया although
was
someone
thinking-
replies back with that I'd be like hot
I was
see
thinking
it.
लड़कों का चक्कर मौत से टक्कर. It's
दो-
my favorite thing to say. दो भाई दोनों तबाही.
I was thinking of दो बहन and like an equivalent I want to come up with that दो भाई दोनों तबाही right that's what it is
Yeah,
दो
but
बहन
I think
something.
Behan and Chen can go.
हाँ
But I'm not a writer, so Mukhi. You
दो
go.
बहन उड़ाए चैन is very you know it's very
Someone bring her
Dil
laptop.
ki nain.
yeah, can you bring my laptop? I'll fix this right now. So, sorry, I'm ready to give this person, this tennis racket person, a chance. Also, I like tennis.
Oh. But what if he's wearing it and he's playing pickleball?
I'll shame him for that.
Paddle is fine. Pickle, if he takes it seriously enough that he has to wear a tennis headband for pickle.
If he wears a Wimbledon tennis headband, I'd be like, now you're just an idiot. Like, if you're doing Wimbledon at headband, already it's a little extra, but you played tennis and came and you're like, in my head, the stories, you forgot to remove it.
Yeah.
And then I'll give him that. I'm like, did you forget to remove your tennis band? And hopefully he has the good sense to be like, yes.
You shame him. Oh my god, bring back shaming.
We had to take a little break and we're back.
We want to regroup.
ये podcast running से ज़्यादा break लेता है.
Do you have great first date stories?
My last first date was like years ago, so I
Was
can't
it
really
a-
say.
Was it like a nice? Have you? I don't remember having a great first date.
I had a really good first date very recently, but it was like we were like matching each other's vibe in terms of drinks, and we had like a good banter happening. Then the table next to us had a lot of drama happening.
How
And then we were
fun.
giving them voices, and we were like, I was doing the guy's voice, he was doing the girl's voice.
the
Because the table next to us was fighting. So obviously we were like, what do you think they're fighting about? And then we like, well, I was talking from the guy's perspective and he was talking from the girl's perspective. And then this other couple there, I like was talking, I've said this story before, but there was another couple there, and the girl was actually his girlfriend and not his wife, and he also had a wife. So then I got this gossip also. And then I was like, listen, you have to come to my house to debrief. And then he still didn't kiss me. So I was like, what a respectful man. But because I didn't want him to leave, I just kept smoking. So 2 weeks later, I fell violently ill. And then he brought me soup.
Aww.
And then, one thing led to another. And we are having a lot of fun first dates. Him and me.
Okay, cool. This is great.
And
This is the kind
3 of
date
his
that lead
friends
to-
got engaged. So now I just have to wait for an invite.
Oh, I love.
Dude, I had not been on dates. Like, because my relationships start very organically. But last week, I went on the best date I've ever been on in my life.
What?
We were like cycling through like vineyards and cornfields, and then we stopped and had like organic homemade lunch. And
Your turn.
I have nothing. I've had like one good first date, like Bumble first date, but not like I had it in Rome, which was very
You
sweet.
just said Florence also.
Florence was another one, but
So
Florence.
two
was,
good first dates to हुए हैं ना?
no, but this one, like Florence was good because Florence is good. You know what I
Oh.
mean? It's very pretty.
Yeah.
So then we were like, we'll go by scooter and all of that. So I was like, oh, this is the experience that goes into like a tourism video. But like, was it a first? Okay.
But Rome?
Rome was a
Same,
good first
oh.
date, but again, it's not like it wasn't a good experience.
The most important thing on a first date is that you have a good time.
Ah,
The guy is really inconsequential to this first date.
Can I tell you? No, I have not had a very good first date yet. Then I
Sure.
I would like a first date to be
Would
nice
you like to go out
conversations.
with me?
yeah.
Yes, and
Okay.
yes, I would like cycling. I would like character building. Restaurants. I would like a combination of this because my
Yeah.
first dates have been more of me doing crowd work.
Yeah.
Where I'm like, so what do you do? Because
Yeah.
they're so shy. Then I'm like, so what's up? What movie did you watch? This movie. I would like it to be more. I almost had a good first date with this guy, but it got interrupted by a common friend. So then the common friend
Oh.
thought that the three of us can hang.
No.
That's the
And we
bits.
did.
Oh,
Because we are like, I guess.
no second date?
I don't know. It was.
It was fresh.
Recent?
It was very recent. Yes, it was very recent. So I don't know. I don't
Who
know
is
if-
this common friend? I'll message off camera. Relax. I don't know.
started
Eyes
twitching.
bad.
I was like, Sakshi, no.
Oh, sorry. No, off camera. We'll
Yeah.
have a talking to with them.
But I would like. I think I'm gonna put this this manifestation on Moment of Silence that I would like a good first date. So whoever I match with on Bumble next, please, if you can,
Be a good boy.
organize a, you know.
Impeccable date because Sumuki's in her lover
A
girl.
salsa dancing
era.
class.
I'm in my salsa dancing class. I'm in my lover girl era, guys. Or
Just laying it out there.
yeah, if you have any doubts, just drop comments on their video.
Yeah.
They will help you.
I will
answer
plan the date.
Yes.
Done.
You don't have to be stressed. I trust this date already. It's gonna
Okay.
be fun.
So our goal for today is achieved, I
Yeah.
think. Yeah.
So that match on Bumble, make sure it's verified. Tell them to talk to Sakshi. and Sakshi will run the plan also by Naina. And then boom, Sumuki is dating.
Done.
Done.
Married.
And
Oh,
we get a
yeah.
suite
Yeah.
at the wedding.
You have to wear a yellow lehenga.
Oh yeah, and no the boy's name starting with Sue because we don't want to hashtag
No
Sue
Sue
in a
Sue
yellow
on this.
lehenga. Fuck no, this is too easy already.
And thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for coming on, Sumuki.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me. This is going to be, this was our second date. Our first date was actually very special.
Yeah.
Can't wait for third date.
Can't wait for third date.
Come on now. Jimmy to the camera.
Yay. Love it.